Alright, I got the flash on. And you can see what's inside the birdhouse. You can see our names in there. The bottom. So this is our characters that we're gonna be making our video game soon. My brother's watching track and field right now. So 8573, use your voice, say hello.
Hello, Colony of the Reds.
Bossman. This is Bossman, an assistant hero.
What's up?
All we gotta do is get some traps for those squirrels. Just to stop stealing their food. Wow. Stick my finger in there. All we gotta do is get some bird seeds. See those question marks up there? We'll be making our homemade mystery box. Just gotta peel this tape off the wall just to protect the paint. Just to protect the paint. Not much to say. Just that it. Still got rack paint 4 over there. And we did paint this red and all these other paints we've mixed. Mixing paint can help. So this is a birdhouse vlog, and that's short. Running inside. So that's basically it. Just showing up right here. So this is Remington 946 saying, like our gaming channel, peace. You wanna say something?
Yeah. Always leave a like.
Leave a comment and subscribe.
For more.
Nailed it. So anyway, that was a good old silly super pop. So peace.
Later.
See ya.
Bye.